Hey, what's up, family? Welcome to Make Money More channel. So today I got this app, So this app is gonna pay you, to answer like stories and stuff. So using my link, you're gonna get like free $5 when you click on my link on the description. So yeah, guys, so this is an app, so pays you, to your opinion, guys, so your finances are how you're feeling about money and finances these days. We would like to understand how things are going for you and hear your thoughts on the future. Let's get started. So basically last 2 minutes, so we're gonna click on start a story and stuff. So yeah, so and then this is just basic, question, stuff. Let's see. So yeah, guys, we're gonna click on turn on notification whenever there's a latest stories and stuff. So and then so yeah, guys, this is an app, where you can earn money, guys. As you can see, I haven't submitted any. So as you can see here, pay stories you complete up here and stuff. So submitted for review, you're gonna see maybe 10, and then approve and recently paid, and stuff. So yeah, guys, if you got like any question, guys, feel free to come on the comment section and I'll make sure to answer your query. So other than that, guys, I will see you on the next video, and thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.